So I went to Walmart today, bought a couple of plastic sleeves since I needed some, since I'm starting to collect again. Got these for 98 cents a piece. Just about 5 of them real quick just to get me started. Ultra Pro sleeves, pretty good. I remember these from back in the days when I was collecting, so go ahead and get that. And then I just decided to buy Rookies and Stars for $5 also. You know, maybe I get something good here. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Let's start with the top. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Alright, one of those cards. Alright, Kaepernick, Cobb, Johnson, Wake, Jackson, Powell, Romo, Jamal Charles, Torrey Smith. Got a rookie Riddick, rookie Allen, T.Y. Hilton, Matt Ryan, Drew Brees, Charles Tillman, Big Ben. Got Morris, Jennings, Stewart, and McFadden. So, it's okay. Nothing special. Go ahead and open this up. Hopefully we get something good here. And we got Graham, AJ Green, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson, Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice, Sanchez, Palmer. Uh-oh. What is this? This is nothing. I guess that's for the guys that tries to look at packs and stuff these days. Got a rookie card. Escobar, Colston, Dalton, Dwyer, Stafford, Brady, Cutler, Vick, Manning, and Lynch. Nothing good. But this is pretty smart. I guess you guys got people always trying to fill the packs before they buy them, which is very smart of them. So this is what we got. Maybe later I'll go grab another one. It's only $5. This is one right here. This is a longevity card, I guess, of Carson Palmer. No number. Okay, what else? Alright, well, stay tuned for another video. Open more packs. Thanks for watching.